Namaste, dear female students in Bangalore and Noida. My name is Rajkamal and I'm the CTO of NXP, and I welcome you here at our sites together with our NXP India team.
At NXP, our Women in Tech program is not just a pipeline program. It's a way to reimagine how innovation leadership is done across the industry. So I'm so glad to see all these 75 engineers who've come here and joined us.
It's a pleasure to host the talented Women in Tech Batch 3 students at NXP India. Their energy and passion for technology is truly inspiring. At NXP, we believe diversity fuels innovation, and their curiosity we found our belief in bright future led by Women in Tech. I hope that their visit will spark new ideas and deeper excitement for the future of technology.
I trust very much in you. My hopes are on you, that you can bring NXP to the next level. But start playing now with your devices. Dream the future, because only if you can dream it, you can build it.
At NXP, we believe the success of our new college grads significantly drives the future success of our company. From my experience, I encourage you to innovate, bring forward those new ideas and perspectives, and show strong ownership. Don't just help solve problems, but help prevent them.
You belong in tech. Your ideas matter. At NXP, we are not just including women, we are empowering the next generation of leaders. So let today be the start of your journey.
The entire NXP site visit, in fact, the entire program has been really rewarding for me. I enjoyed the online classes. I think the concepts that have been covered is something which is not a part of our college curriculum, yet they are very instrumental in the semiconductor industry. The entire day, the entire site visit was planned very well. I really enjoyed it.
I had this incredible opportunity to be a part of NXP WIT program, something which is so incredible and one of the best experiences I've had so far in my academic journey.